going.
I'm keeping up right there with you as soon.
Come on, crank it. Just where we wanted that bitch too.
Okay. I kinda had a feeling that motherfucker was going over. But I'm like, oh, know what? We're already there.
Hell yeah.
There.
Hell yeah.
There's no going back on this shit.
No,
Right here.
it's fucking all or nothing now. Hell yeah, and we got that bitch on video too. Hell yeah. And that's how you do that shit right there. That's how you fucking do that shit, bitch. Hell yeah.